but it felt so fall-like this weekend. Plus, we're already in meteorological fall, which started September 1.
Right.
The real deal, though, not until the 23rd of this month. And so summer's like scattered showers out there. Been dealing with that activity. You can see where it is right now out across pretty much all of Chicagoland, kind of scattered, very light, but there nonetheless. So please kind of keep that in mind when you're getting ready to hit the roads. Midway's got a little bit of light shower activity just north of Orland Park, out near Crete and Monique, and then across the line into northwest Indiana if the kids are getting ready to hit the bus stop. From Gary down to just east of St. John and over to Valpo, we do have a little bit of just light showers. No thunderstorm activity for us expected really today. That's more so up to the north and west, where there is the potential for a slight risk of severe storms, parts of Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota, but that steers clear of our area. You can see we're not even at marginal risk today. We are, though, going to feel that heat and humidity continuing to build, and that's setting us up for a really summer-like vibe tomorrow and for most of this week. In fact, by tomorrow morning, we're already in the uncomfortable to sticky range, and we're bordering on oppressive as we move through our Tuesday into Wednesday. We should be mid to upper 70s, which is par for the course this time of the year in September. But by tomorrow, we go up to near 90 degrees through the day today, and you can see it right now in the form of some showers and storms from DeKalb to McHenry, stretching to the north and west. Have one little area here near Midway where there may be just a little strike of thunder and lightning in that zone too. Most of that thunderstorm activity is from Rockford, heading just a little bit on off closer to DeKalb now. Moving a little bit closer to Marengo. This is not severe thunderstorms. This is just garden variety stuff. Watch what happens, though, because as it moves a little bit east of 39, we're expecting to see this activity diminish a bit. And by the time it rolls all the way through to what would be equivalent to Waukegan and O'Hare, it's pretty much died out. So at this point, we're looking at 75 degrees, mix of clouds and sun at 6 o'clock. No real additional showers from development expected, save for maybe a little bit of activity far to the west as we roll through the overnight, leading us into what should be a pretty dry day tomorrow, but not necessarily a cool one. We're looking at dew point numbers right now, which are up into the 60s. They range from the low to the mid 60s generally, but watch how we trend up. We'll get all the way up to very near to oppressive for most of the day on your Tuesday. It does clear up in time for the weekend, but it's like, oh, hey, summer's not over just yet.
Summer wants its present snow.
Yes.
If you haven't made it to the lake yet, now's your chance.